It's crazy test called the ass test. But before you go on board, you have to do these 4 things. Number 1, go to bed early. You have to get a good night's rest. And be ready to go so that you give 100%. Eat a healthy breakfast. You have to eat something good in the morning. For the day of the test, before you're in the test, you'll just need a little patience. You gotta take your time, check your work, listen to the instructions from the teacher, read the directions carefully again and again, and follow any checklist provided. Things you need to do to get ready for the test. 1, go to bed early. 2, wake up early and be ready to go. 3, eat a healthy breakfast. And 4, just have a little patience.